How to transfer Spotify playlists to YouTube Music. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can transfer Spotify playlist to YouTube Music, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to transfer your Spotify playlist to YouTube Music or any of the other playlists, does not have to be Spotify and YouTube only. There's a very good website called tunemymusic.com, right? So I'll make sure to drop a link below. You can go to tunemymusic.com, then just tap on let's start. So the source is Spotify because we are trying to transfer from Spotify. After you select Spotify, you might need to log into your Spotify account, so go ahead and do that. Then after you do that, select load from Spotify account here. Then after you've done that, you can simply select the playlist that you want to load. Once you've done that, tap on choose destination, and the destination is basically YouTube Music. So over here you can simply go ahead and then search for YouTube Music in this case. Once you select YouTube Music, now you can go ahead and select your YouTube or Google account for which account you want to transfer to. Then after you've done that, once you've selected that, you'll be able to tap on the continue option and it will transfer all the music from your Spotify to your YouTube Music. Now not only Spotify to YouTube Music, you can also do this other way around and many of the other ones, and it will take some time. Maybe some songs might not be available on YouTube that is available on Spotify, but it will most likely get the job done. This way you'll be able to transfer Spotify playlist to YouTube Music. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.